Hello students, have a nice day to you. Myself Neeraj Kumar, the computer teacher of your school, came to write back again with a new video in which I shall explain about the application of computer. That is the topic of chapter 2, unit 3 and for class 9. Students, as in the last video we learned about the characteristics and the limitations of computer. Now, in this video, I am going to explain about the application of computer. Friends, as you know, computers play an important role, vital role in every field of life. They are used in homes, business, educational institutions, research organizations, medical fields, government offices, entertainment, and so on. Now we cannot imagine the life in the world in absence of computers. Here, to explain about the applications of computer means to know about the uses of computer in different fields. I am explaining about the applications of the computer system in different fields. So the first one field is business. Nowadays, computers are totally integrated into businesses. The main objectives of business is transaction processing, which involves transactions with supplier, employees or customers. So here computers are used in business organizations for various purposes such as payroll calculations, budgeting, salaries analysis, financial forecasting, etc. Second one field is banking. In banking, computers are used to store details of customers and conduct transactions such as withdrawal and deposit of money through ATMs. Nowadays, online payment, transfers money, managing accounts, fixed deposits opening, etc. are the example of digital banking and which is accessible from any place, anywhere. And so, this is really the role of computer in the field of banking. Third one field is education and research. Students, as we know, computers are used in education sectors through online classes, online examinations, referring e-books, online tutoring, and helping in education fields by providing audio-visual ads. Students and researchers also using computers for doing online research activities and so on. Fourth one field is the healthcare and medicines. Students, computers are used in the hospitals to maintain a database of patients' history, easily diagnose the diseases, X-rays, live monitoring of patients, etc. Surgeons nowadays are using robotic surgical devices to perform delicate operations and conduct surgeries remotely. ECG, EEG, ultrasound, CTS scanning, that all are done using the computer system these days, and that is really done in the field of medical. Now fifth one is the military. The computer are being used in the field of defense for various purposes. It is used to develop and design the weapons and other usable equipments in the military field, in the field of defense. We cannot forget the use of guided missiles that are simply controlled by computer system. Now sixth one is the scientific research. Computers are widely used in science and research center for various purposes such as developing hypotheses, data interpretation, exchange data electronically and simulate complex events are done by computer. Not only the same, but can also used for weather forecasting, disaster management, space exploration, etc. So now the other one field is engineering. Computers with high performance are used to stimulate dynamic process in science and engineering. Scientists use computers to plot and analyze data to have a better understanding of earthquake. Engineers use computers to create an electronic model by describing the dimensions of objects. You can't forget the using of CAD, computer-aided designing, the software used by engineers to design objects with computer. Next one field is manufacturing. In a manufacturing field, computers are used with a great extent for painting, welding and blending to give the design of the objects. Manufacturer use computers and robotic system, which is together known as computer aided manufacturing, that is CAM. So this is the use of computer in the manufacturing field. Next one, in the field of entertainment. Students, computers help to watch movie online, play games online, and act as a virtual entertainer in playing games, listening to music, watching the videos, etc. MIDI instruments helping recording music with artificial instruments. So that is also controlled by the computerized system. Next one, the publishing and printing media. Students, as you know, various designing and DTP software such as CorelDRAW, Photoshop, PageMaker, Microsoft Word, etc. are used to develop newsletters, books and magazines in the printing media field. Next one is the animation and films. Computers are widely used in the field of animations and films industries for developing animation picture and giving the special effect in the films. You would have seen the fire effect in the film, some special effects can also be produced by using the computer. Using the computers, people can make films and TV shows, cartoons and animation films. So these all are the uses of computer in the field of these all are the uses of the computer into the different fields, and that is generally known as the applications of computer. So we'll come again with the new video in which I shall explain the other one topic of the chapter. So till have a nice day and thank you.